Hey guys, this is Bryden here to intro you to the Energy Transformations unit. What you'll notice with this unit is that it is a lot like the last unit where we were just studying potential and kinetic energy. And when you add them up, you get mechanical energy. The only thing new here is the vocabulary, and that's actually not all that new because we should already know what mechanical energy is. Mechanical energy is simply the sum of the potential and the kinetic energy. What's new here? The success criteria. Of course, we should be able to calculate for energy velocity, potential energy, kinetic, and mechanical energy. That is something that you should have learned in the last unit. Then be able to explain the energy transformations in a roller coaster, both in a perfect, quote unquote, perfect world and an imperfect world or real world. Be able to explain how a roller coaster on Earth could be different on the moon. So we're going to be looking at comparison between Earth and the moon and the potential energy differences between the two. What this should give you is a better idea of both how acceleration works on the Earth and the moon, and it should give you a better understanding of how acceleration affects potential energy. Then, be able to design and implement a lab to demonstrate how the length or shape of a roller coaster does or does not affect the final velocity. And so, with this one, you're just going to simply be changing up the shape of a track, but overall, you should be able to notice that velocity is not affected by the shape, but simply by the initial mechanical energy. Then, based off of what you learned there, you're going to design, engineer, and explain your own roller coaster. So this is kind of like a little mini challenge here. This is going to be your IB stuff. Um, but pretty much you're going to be given some tubing and a bearing ball, and the bearing ball is going to go through the tubing, and you're going to be able to design how the tubing works and is shaped. And then what you're going to have to do for that is also make sure that you get a video recording of it, or I take a picture of it. That way I can grade it. Other than that, there's not much else for me to talk about for this unit. So I will see you guys in the lectures.